Hey guys, Keita Taco here. Sorry for the absence. We've been busy doing a lot of different things and just dealing with family stuff. We've purchased a winch. We got it through George from Tremendous, so shout out to George from Tremendous and the team over there. But we got it's a Tiger Shark synthetic rope. It's a 9500 capability. Should be more than enough for what I'm going to be doing with the Tacoma. So I just figured I'd do an unboxing since there's nothing out there, about this winch. So here we go. All right. Right off the bat, we got all the paperwork, decal, Weston, and different instructions. We have whatever this is, hardware, the controller for the winch. We'll check that out. Show you guys what the controller looks like. Forward and backward. Right, has a good click. Right. This is probably not going to be used. I'm probably going to pick up something a little bit more aesthetic. This just looks kind of old school, and just want to get something a little bit more updated. This. Here is the synthetic rope that comes for this winch. I believe it is 80 feet of rope. I could be wrong, but that's what I believe it is. Synthetic. So synthetic is known to be a lot more safer than steel, right? If this were to snap, there would be less of a chance of an injury. However, you just still have to avoid, different, scenarios like triangle, like death and stuff like that. And here is the winch itself. This is the winch. So this is to engage and disengage the wiring, the connector for the controller. So this is recommended to me by George. I got it from him, and we're gonna throw this on the Tacoma. Hopefully, we decide on a bumper. Me and my wife, we're very picky with parts that we use on our cars. So we want to get something that's going to be both durable, good for off-road, and going to hold up, right? We're kind of thinking about going with a bumper from DeMello Off-Road. And then there's also C4 fabrication. So we're thinking about getting those bumpers to mount this winch onto that, and we'll be ready to go. Feeling a little bit more at ease that if we were to get into a certain situation, we'd be able to get ourselves out. Obviously, we would need way more recovery gear. This is just first piece to the puzzle. Whenever we do go off-roading, we don't get ourselves into any situations that might be real risky because of the lack of this and more recovery gear. But this should be a good good starting point together with the bumper. Again, we're thinking about DeMello Off-Road or C4 fabrication for the front bumper, and in the rear, it's to be determined. It is kind of busted, so we'll see. But for now, this is what we got. It's a 9500 Tiger Shark synthetic rope. So yeah, once we mount it up, once we're doing the install on the bumper, I have more to show you guys. And yeah, say hi to the camera, Kenta. Say hi.
Hi.
You say hi today. So yeah, that's the winch. We'll have more for you guys pretty soon. I think Brenda and I discussed about getting the bumper as soon as next month, so we can get ready for the winter off-roading that we plan to be doing. We do have a camping trip set up for October, sometime in October, right? October 13th, I believe.
Yeah.
Or 14th, something along that weekend, middle of October. And then Dirt Road Journey just announced that they're gonna have a run on Halloween the Sunday before, but Halloween is on Monday the 31st. So on the 30th, they're gonna be having a run. We plan to attend together with the kids and have them dressed up and everything ready to go trick-or-treating out there in the trail. You know, I don't know if we're gonna dress up, but we'll figure something out.
What's that one over there?
Oh, this. Good question, Brenda. This is the fair lead. This is where the cable comes out of. And technically, this would be hanging out, or hanging out and mounting onto the bumper. But this is so that the rope doesn't fray on its way out. So yeah, technically, this would be going in through there, and there you go. Yeah, this is like what will be visible from Superwinch. That and the rope or the hook. I do plan on getting a blue or red one for the truck. I'm 5'11", and this is as big as my hand, so no, I don't plan on using this. It's just way too big, way too bulky. But yeah, that's the winch. Cool. Peace. So subscribe, like the video, comment, give me your ideas on bumpers for the 13th Tacoma. You know, and I'm not a big lights guy, so I don't like expect a bumper with a bunch of lights. That's why I did my little off-road, seemed like a good option. But make your recommendations. On my Instagram is use and abuse taco. You can send me pictures of what you have, and we'll go from there. So thank you.